Hello and good morning to everyone. This is Devasis Mohanty. Today I am welcoming you all to do the question number 14 of exercise 9.1, and in the question number 14 here it is given that here it is the previous position of the balloon, and here it is the balloon is moving in the horizontal line. This one it is the previous position of the balloon, and this one it is the new position of the balloon. And the height of the girl it is our 1.2 meter, and that girl is spotting first the balloon position it is at here, and the position of the balloon it is at 88.2 meter above the ground, 88.2 above the ground. And whenever for the first time the girl seen the balloon, the angle of elevation of the balloon it was 60 degree, but whenever with the wind the balloon was moving from this position to this position in a horizontal line, now the angle of elevation it will be our 30 degree. And here it is asked that you have to find out, the distance covered by the balloon. The balloon covered the distance of how much? It means this distance here it is asked. It means this distance it is asked to find out it will be how much. This distance. See clearly, this distance it is also same as this distance. This distance it is also same as this distance. Here it is a two triangle related question. So for which, as it is the two triangle related question, for which I am separating, everyone see clearly. Actually I want to find out the distance between the two balloon. It is also same as this much distance. So for which roughly I am doing, see carefully. So it means this one it is one of the triangle, and here it is another triangle. Suppose I am naming it, it is our A, this one it is our B, this one it is our C, this one it is our D, and this one it is our E. So it means I have to find out the CD, it will be how much? It means I have to find out the distance CD, it will be how much? Here I am naming the same. Here it is C, D, here it is E, here it is B, here it is A. See, here it is the angle it is given that this angle it is 30 degree. This little angle it is our 30 degree. And the total height of the balloon, flying over the ground, it is our 88.2. So for which this length it is our 88.2. As this length it is our 1.2, this length it is our 1.2, for which this length it will be our total length minus height of the girl. So for which this one it will be our 87 meter. This one it will be our 87 meter, and you can find out DE by subtracting the height of the girl from the total height, means 88.2. So it means this one I got it as the 87 meter. It is 87 means this one it is also 87 meter. So it means from this expression, see, so from this triangle, as this one it is given, so one can find out BD, one can find it easily. BD means total length, one can find out whenever I will consider this triangle. I can find out the BD. And whenever I will consider this smallest triangle, it means from here this angle it is giving that 60 degree. So for which I can find out BC, it will be how much? It means from the larger triangle I can find out BD it is how much, and for the smaller triangle I can find out BC, it will be how much. And from the BD, whenever BC it is to be subtracted, I can find out the CD. Understood how I have done? So now we just have to write by seeing the picture. This figure I am erasing. Now you just have to see the main figure. In the main figure, here I am writing here in triangle. Actually, one thing it is clear, to find out the CD, First I want to find out the larger distance, it will be how much? Then after this much distance it is to be subtracted so that I can find out the CD, and the larger one I can find out whenever I will consider the larger triangle. So for which here in triangle BDE 10 30 degree, it is our DE divided by BD. 30 degree, 30 degree means it is our 1 by root 3 is our DE, means it is our 87 meter divided by BD. Directly writing, which means BD, it is our 87 into root 3 meter. So it means from the larger triangle I got the BD, it is equal to 87 root 3. It means this one I got it as the 87 root 3 meter. So next one I have to find out the BC, it will be how much, and I can find out the BC whenever I will consider the ABC triangle. So for which again in triangle ABC tan 60 degree, it is our tan 60 degree, it is our AC divided by BC, which says tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree, it means it is our root 3, it is our AC. AC and DE both are same. So for which in place of AC I am writing 87 meter divided by BC. Doing the cross multiplication, directly I can write BC, it is equal to 87 divided by root 3 meter, and on rationalizing the denominator I can write it as the 87 root 3 divided by 3 meter. 3 it will 3 2 ja 6, 27 3 9 ja 27. So for which BC, it is our 29 root 3 meter. So it means I got the BC, it is our 29 root 3 meter, and here it is the BD, it is your this much. This one it is our BD, this one it is our BC, and everyone knows from the BD if I will erase, otherwise if I will subtract BC I can find out our CD. Now CD, it is our BD minus BC, and our BD, it is our 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3 meter, which is equal to 17.98. Then after 7 to 5, it means it is our 58 root 3 meter. As the CD, it is our 58 root 3. It is also same as the distance covered by the balloon from the previous position to new position. So for which the final sentence should be just like this. Hence the distance covered, otherwise distance the balloon moved at a distance of 58.3 meter. Ready? Leaving this question, now you have to get ready to do the next question.